गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. पुन्हा आपण डिफाइंड इंटिग्रेशन या टॉपिक मध्ये काही एक्स्ट्रा ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह बघतोय. नाउ फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, इंटिग्रेशन 0 to alpha 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx is equal to 14. Then alpha is equal to dash dash. इथं अप्पर लिमिट मध्ये अल्फा ठेवला तो अल्फाची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायची. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. इंटिग्रेशन 3x square I write just x cube by 3, that is x cube, 3 cancel. Integration x square by 2 cancel, x square. 1 integration x limits 0 to alpha is equal to 14. Now put upper limit x as alpha cube plus alpha square plus alpha, lower limit 0 neglected is equal to 14. Now find out value of alpha. That is just we put directly values of this. Trial and error. 1 is equal to alpha. 1 cube 1, 1 square 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 is not equal to 14. Therefore 1 is not there. 1 is not there. Second 2. 2 cube 8. Here alpha is equal to 2. It is 4. Alpha is equal to 2. 8 plus 4 plus 2. It is 14. Yes. Then B option. First we solve this integration and we get this. Then we make trial and error. Alpha is equal to 1, then it is not equal to. Then alpha is equal to 2, then it is equality maintained. Therefore alpha is equal to is the option. Next example, minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 tan cube x sec x dx is equal to dash dash. By observation, this is symmetric interval. Symmetric interval. Therefore this is integrand as a function. Now check this is even or odd function. F of x is equal to tan cube sec x. Replace, start with f of minus x for even or odd. X is replaced by minus x, tan cube minus x, sec minus x. That is equal to tan minus out, that is minus tan cube x. Sec of minus same, sec x. Sec of minus same as well, sec x. Therefore this, that is equal to this minus and this is again original, f of x. Therefore start with f of minus x, we get minus f of x. Therefore a given function is odd function. Odd function and interval is symmetric. Symmetric interval, odd function, integrand as a odd function, then value of that integration is 0. That is C option. 0. Next example, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, sin raised to 4 upon sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x dx. MST CD 2008 ला विचारलेला question. Now this is again symmetric interval. Therefore check again even odd function. Here power raised to 4. Sin of minus x, we know that this is what, this is f of x. F of x is equal to sin raised to 4 upon sin raised to 4 plus cos raised to 4. We know that f of minus x केला तर काय होणार, इकडे sin raised to minus sin of minus x, but sin of minus x minus sin x, but raised to 4, therefore it is positive. Therefore same linear f of minus x is equal to, we get same f of x. Therefore it is even function. even function है, त्याला आपण I suppose करूया. Now integrand as a even function. Therefore symmetric interval, even function, 2 times I is equal to 2 times. I write this, I is equal to 2 times 0 pi by 2. Range is half, 0 pi by 2. Sin raised to 4 upon sin raised to 4 plus cos raised to 4 dx. Now this is I suppose 1. Now by using property 0 to a type property, that is again I is equal to 2 times 0 pi by 2. X is replaced by pi by 2 minus x, sin raised to 4 pi by 2 minus x upon sin raised to 4 pi by 2 minus x plus cos raised to 4 pi by 2 minus x. By using property just 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That is equal to 2 times 0 pi by 2 sin raised to 4 pi by 2 minus x, sin pi by 2 minus x, first quadrant, cos pi by 2 x. It is cos raised to 4 pi by 2 minus x upon sin raised to, that is cos raised to 4. It is it is sin raised cos raised to 4x. Sin pi by 2 minus x cos x. Cos pi by 2 minus x sin x. Sin raised to 4x dx. Now this is equation 2. Now adding 1 and 2. 1 and 2 add केला तो दोघांचा डिनॉमिनेटर सेम आहे. सेम डिनॉमिनेटर. Addition of numerator. That numerator is sin raised to 4 plus cos raised to 4. Denominator sin raised to 4 cos raised to 4. That is cancel. We get I is equal to just 2 times 0 pi by 2 sin raised to 4 plus cos raised to 4 upon sin raised to 4 cos raised to 4 plus cos raised to 4 dx. Now this is same, therefore cancel. Only dx. Integration is just x 0 pi by 2. That is upper limit just pi by 2 minus 0, and just to cancel it is pi. Check again, just adding these two common here 2i, sorry, here 2i, adding just 2i. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get 2i I plus I 2i to cancel. Then this is to cancel. Yes, it is pi by 2 only. Answer is pi by 2. That is the option. Answer is pi by 2. Next example, integration minus 1 to plus 1 plus x cube upon 9 minus x square dx is equal to. Now I split first. I write this I is equal to minus 1 to plus 1 1 upon 9 minus x square dx plus minus 1 to plus 1 x cube upon 9 minus x square dx. Again symmetric interval, therefore checking even odd function. This is what x is replaced by minus x, we get minus x cube upon 9 minus x square. X is replaced by this, we get same minus x cube, and 9 minus x square again same. Therefore we get this is what minus f of x. And therefore this is odd function, symmetric interval, therefore its value is 0, neglected. Its value is 0. Odd function, symmetric interval 0. This is 9 minus x square. X is replaced by minus x, we get even function. X is replaced by minus x. Terminal 1 upon 9 minus x square. That is we get same 9 minus x square. Therefore this is even function. Symmetric interval. Therefore double I is equal to 2 times limits half 0 to 1 upon 9 minus x square. Now this is standard type. That is 1 upon a square minus x square type. That is 2 times 1 by 2a. A means square root of this 2 into 3 log modulus a plus x 3 plus x upon 3 minus x, and limits are 0 1. Now put upper limit, these two cancel. I write 1 by 3 as a common inside upper limit. X equal to 1 log 3 plus 1 4 3 minus 1 2 minus lower limit log 0 x equal to 0 3 by 3. That is 1 by 3 inside log 4 by 2 log 2 log 3 cancel, log 1 surely 0, log 1 0. Therefore 1 by 3 log 2, that is the answer. 1 by 3 log 2. C option. Next example, 0 pi by 2 sin 2x log tan x dx is equal to dash. Again lower limit 0. There are just properties of the type 0 to a, that is a replacement just 0a, here f of x, then f of a minus x. This is one interesting property. And one more is there, a to b f of x dx is equal to 0 to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. या दोन प्रॉपर्टी खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. एक लोअर लिमिट 0 असताना 0 to a and a to b, that is just x is replaced by a plus b minus x. Here x is replaced by a minus x. Therefore of the type 0 to pi by 2. Therefore x is replaced by pi by 2 minus x. I write this. These are the two important properties. Now I write replacement. I is equal to 0 pi by 2 sin 2 into pi by 2 minus x pi by 2 minus x log tan pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x dx. That is equal to 0 pi by 2 sine, this 2 cancel and 2x sine pi minus 2x log tan pi by 2 minus it is cot x dx. Again r is equal to 0 pi by 2 sine pi minus 2x, second quadrant sine positive sine 2x log cot x dx. This is 2 and given as a I, suppose this as a 1, this is 1, adding 1 and 2, I plus I, it is 2I. Integrations common, limits 0 pi by 2 and sin 2x common, sin 2x दोघांमध्ये sin 2x, here sin 2x again, log inside log tan x plus log cot x dx. Log tan plus log cot, log a plus log b, log ab, that is 2i is equal to 0 pi by 2 sin 2x log tan into cot, tan cot opposite, therefore cancel, it is 1 just, and log 1 value 0, k 0 then, therefore integrand 0 means value of the integration 0, that is I is equal to 0 just. Tan cot cancel, log 1 male, log 1 as a 0, therefore value 0. That is A option. Next example, if 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2, then 0 to pi by 2 log cosec x dx is equal to dash dash. MHD CET 2010 ला विचारलेला क्वेश्चन आहे. This is given. Therefore we know the property 0 to a property. 0 to a, just replace x by pi by 2 minus x. I write 0 to pi by 2 log x is replaced by pi by 2 minus x, cos pi by 2 minus x dx is equal to, what is minus pi by 2 log 2, cos 9 pi by 2 minus x, that is first quadrant cos, then it is sine 0 pi by 2 log sin x dx is equal to same minus pi by 2 log 2. That is sin x, I write 0 pi by 2 log 1 by cosec. RHS is same as it is. That is I write 0 pi by 2 log a minus log b, log 1 minus log cosec dx. RHS as it is. This is same. Now log 1 0, therefore it is minus 0 pi by 2 minus log cosec x dx. RHS minus pi by 2 log 2. Now this minus cancel with this, pi by 2 log 2, that is A option, pi by 2 log 2. This minus and this minus cancel, it is plus 1. Next example, 0 pi by 2 modulus sin minus cos x dx. Now we know that in between 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, sin x is less than cos x. sin x less than cos x. 0 ला sin 0 ला 0 असतो, cos 0 1 म्हणजे cos हा ग्रेटर आहे 0 pi by 4 पर्यंत, sin आणि cos मध्ये cos is greater, therefore its splitting is 0 pi by 4 modulus sin x minus cos x dx plus pi by 4 to pi by 2, same modulus sin x minus cos x. And pi by 4 to pi by 2, what is happening? Pi by 4 to pi by 2, cos sin x is greater than cos x. Sin x is greater than cos x. Therefore, I write in between 0 pi by 4, its value is 0 pi by 4 minus sin x minus cos x by modulus plus pi by 4 to pi by 2, it is same, no doubt, modulus cancel, just sin x minus cos x dx. Now integration of this, integration minus sin x, therefore it is minus sin x integration minus cos x, and this minus plus cos x it is cos x. Minus minus plus, cos x integration sin x, sin x. Limits are 0 pi by 4, 0 pi by 4. Second one, sin x integration minus cos x, minus cos minus sin x. Limits are pi by 4 to pi by 2. Now upper minus lower, here pi by 4, cos pi by 4, it is 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4, again 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Lower limit, cos 0 1, sin 0 0, therefore minus 1. Next, pi by 2, minus cos pi by 2, it is 0. Minus sin pi by 2, it is minus 1. Pi by 4, minus cos pi by 4 and lower limit minus, plus 1 by root 2. Again pi by 4 for this, minus sin pi by 4, lower limit minus, plus, again 1 by root 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, x सारखेच आहे 4, 4 times root 2, 4 times root 2, minus 1, minus 2. 4 root 2 means just 2 root 2, 2 root 2 cancel and minus 2. 2 root 2 minus 2, that is C option. 2 root 2 minus 2, C option, C option. Next example, minus 1 to 4 f of x dx is equal to 4. 2 to 4, 3 minus f of x dx is equal to 7. Then minus 1 to 2 f of x dx is equal to dash dash. This is what minus 1 to 4. This is 2 to 4. So solve this first. Integration 2 to 4. Separate 3 dx minus 2 to 4 f of x dx is equal to 7. 7. This is constant 3. Integration is x 4 to 4. 7 transfer minus 7 and this is transfer 2 to 4 f of x dx. This integration transfer, this is plus and 7 transfer to LHS minus 7. This is upper minus lower 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 minus 7. Integration as it is 3. 4 minus 2 it is 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 7 it is minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to integration 2 to 4 f of x dx. Therefore, integration 2 to 4 f of x dx minus 1. And this is minus 1 to 4. What do you want? Minus 1 to 2. Minus 1 to 2. I write minus 1 to 4 is equal to splitting minus 1 to 2 plus 2 to 4. What is minus 1 to 4? Here, minus 1 to 4 किती 4. H value 4 is equal to minus 1 to 2. Minus 1 to 2 आपल्याला calculate करायचं आहे. Minus 1 to 2. 2 to 4 here minus 1, its value is minus 1. This minus 1 transfer, that is 4 minus 1, it is 5. 5 is equal to minus 1 to 2. Minus 1 to 2 integration, it is 5. D option. D option. Next, what is given? 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx is equal to p. Its value is p. Then 0 1 tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x dx is equal to. MST CET 2010 ला विचारलेला question. Now I write this 0 1. I write 0 1 tan inverse a minus b upon 1 plus ab. That type tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. Separation tan inverse 1 tan inverse x dx. Separate 0 1 tan inverse 1 it is pi by 4 dx minus 0 1 tan inverse x. This is pi by 4 out. Integration just x 0 1 only 1 and this is what, this is p. 1 minus 0 therefore is equal to pi by 4 minus p. Pi by 4 minus p. That is A option. A option. Next, integration 1 to 3 cos log x upon x dx is equal to dash dash. MST CD 2005 ला विचारलेला question. Integration 1 to 3 cos log x upon x dx. Therefore already here 1 by x is there, therefore put log x is equal to t. Log x equal to t, then 1 by x dx dt. Limits are upper limit when x equal to 3, limits are xt 1 to 3. 1 log 1 0, therefore it is 0. Upper limit 3 log 3, it is log 3. Therefore integration becomes as equal to 0 to log 3 cos log x as a t, cos t, up 1 by x dx as a dt, therefore it is dt. Integration cos, it is sin t, upper minus lower 0 log 3 and only upper limit, lower limit t is equal to 0 neglected, sin 0 0. Therefore sin upper, sin log 3. Sin log 3 is the answer. That is B option, sin log 3.